Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap World Golf Village, local and long distance movers near me. We can help you transport your belongings interstate or intrastate. Our long distance relocation services are exceptional since we value your properties and treat them with care. We also take great care to train our movers so that they are qualified for the task ahead. Are you concerned about the equipment and vehicles that we will use for your transport? You should not worry, as we are only using the high quality vehicles and standard equipment for all of our moves. These trucks can also deliver anywhere. Another factor that ranks us higher than other moving firms is our relationship with the authorities. We have cultivated an excellent relationship with the authorities at the state and federal levels, and this helps to secure further our clients and their belongings. Our movers are licensed, responsible, and always cautious. Local moves are less expensive than long-distance moves, but ours remains the most affordable. We charge $30 to $40 per hour. No matter how bustling your city is, we can help you move seamlessly through it. We also provide valuable service to all of our clients despite our modest pricing. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our World Golf Village moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.